Britain and European Union have reached a post-Brexit trade deal. In Syria, 6 fighters killed in Israeli missile strikes on Hama province on Friday. Rahul Gandhi strongly criticized Modi-led government for undemocratic practices. The nation celebrates Quaid-e-Azam 145th birth anniversary today. Russia reports 29,018 new COVID-19 cases and 563 deaths. Pakistani court ordered release of men charged in beheading of American journalist. Explosion hits gas pipeline in Egypt, North Sinai. US to require negative COVID-19 tests from UK travelers.